Thanks to this automatic refueling robot, filling up will become even quicker and more convenient. With automatic parking, you don't have to look for your car because it will do it for you. The I/O multi-wheeler can bring you the fun of rollerblading and cycling at the same time. Look at how easily this cargo drone transports a 2-ton vehicle. This smart bag is about the size of a credit card when folded, but when opened, it can hold up to 5 gallons, weighing up to 50 pounds. Parallel parking is no longer a problem with these all-way drive wheels that can go any direction and turn on the spot thanks to motorized spin rollers. And these wheels can turn a military vehicle into a tracked vehicle in just 2 seconds. This rolling bridge can be folded into a sculpture if necessary to let boats pass through. With these robotic walkers, there's no need to demolish a building anymore because it can simply be moved to another location. Even if this table had the best food in the world on it, no one would notice it because they'd be too fascinated by the fact that it walks. And the perfect addition to this table would be a walking bike. This snake robot can get the job done in the hardest to reach places, even if you have to get something deep underwater or in a nuclear reactor. This ergonomic lift allows you to get into a horizontal position with a single motion, making your work much more productive, and your back will thank you for it. And with this device, you can sit anywhere, even without a chair, because it's a chairless chair. This portable helmet transforms and fits anywhere, and its convenience doesn't compromise its safety. Now, check out these high-mobility shoes that allow you to walk at a running pace. You don't need a partner to improve your table tennis skills, because this robot can do it. With this surfing trainer, you can learn how to surf without even leaving your home. If you find mowing the lawn to be a boring chore, then this motorcycle lawnmower is sure to get you back into it. This light-up rotating device can display an emergency signal of your choosing in the worst visibility conditions. There's a firefighter robot that can find people and rescue them from a burning building, even if they're unconscious. How about an underground refrigerator that doesn't even require electricity? And in a split second, this boat turns into a motorcycle that can travel through mud as easily as water. Now, check out this jet-powered motorcycle with unique hubless wheels. Just look at this enormous bike that weighs 1,900 pounds. Imagine how cool it would be to drive an electric car and never have to charge it. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore, because this road can charge vehicles on the go. This invention is definitely the future. And for fans of driving on snowy roads, somebody came up with something cooler than winter tires. This is the world's first electric off-road skateboard, and with this cross-country ability, it makes everywhere a skate park. With this smart tinting glass, you can give yourself some privacy at any time and get away from the world while sitting in your car. And here's a really portable mouse that takes up virtually zero space and unfolds like paper origami. With this smart cover, your car will be protected from bad weather, extreme temperatures, and even theft. This invention will definitely be appreciated by people who don't like bugs, and may even become an integral part of their lives. This invention has limitless potential and can be used in assistive wearable devices, rehabilitation technologies, and even robotics. Here's the world's largest all-terrain robot hexapod, and it can be controlled by a pilot or remotely. The potential of this vacuum former makes you want to start your own production line immediately. And the simplicity and genius of this spiral conveyor is simply amazing. Take a look at the capabilities of the trailer deck gun, which can spray up to 9,000 gallons per minute. This unique automated stovetop cooker will make dinner for you. These glasses with special lenses increase your field of vision and even allow you to see behind you. I bet if you saw this multifunctional conference hall with transformable seats, stages, and even walls, you wouldn't miss a single event there. This wheelchair knows no bounds because it can go anywhere and help you reach anything. And this board will turn any rough terrain into a smooth ride. The firefighter drone is the next level in combating fires. With these Reaper wheels, it's impossible to get stuck in the mud. With this airless wheel technology, you never have to worry about getting a flat. Now, check out this airplane bike with wings. In less than 5 minutes, this magical foldable container can transform into a home. And this innovative material with a unique molecular structure is the lightest and most flexible protective agent.